Big salute, big salute, big salute, big salute, big salute. Big salute to all my loved ones, support goons, support squad. Big salute to all my big angels. Big salute, big angels. And big salute to all the righteous revolutionaries out there. Let's go. Righteous revolutionaries, let's go. And I got to give a big salute to Tour Hero Travels. Big salute, Tour Hero. TourHero.com. I said TourHero.com. I said TourHero.com. They will be linked in the description below. Big salute, Tour Hero, and big thanks for the opportunity um, for to let me be a host with the most. Thank you for the opportunity to let me be a tour hero because I am a tour hero. I am the host with the most. So big salute, tour hero. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Well, the China tour seems to be a bust. Nobody is interested in China. On my other channel, I did a poll, and Morocco won. Second place came Cape Town, South Africa. Third place came Burkina Faso. So the Africa tours are in planning. Um, so first we will be doing Casablanca, Morocco. Yes, we will be doing Casablanca, Morocco. That is in planning right now. Um, Second, we will be doing Cape Town, South Africa, and third, Burkina Faso. So I would like to know from the community, what would y'all like to see in Casablanca? I want to base the tour on business opportunities. Like the first stop I want to do when we get there, because we're gonna go there for 7 days. So the first thing I want to do is go to the port of Casablanca. Um, for anybody that's into import, export, seafood coming into the continent, because you have landlocked countries in the continent that are requesting fresh seafood. So this would be a great business opportunity for those who would like to, get into import, export. There are other things to do. So I will base the trip on a mixture of business and leisure. So it'll be more like a business glow up retreat. Yeah. So we will be doing some sightseeing. We will be eating good, and we will mix our activities up with sightseeing and business. Um, so the itinerary is in planning. I just wanted to come give y'all a heads up and see what would y'all like to see. Like, because I would like to put your recommendations on the itinerary also. Um, and since I'm gonna be promoting to my two communities, for the people that do want to go on the tour, what would you like to see? What would you like to do? What type of business opportunities should we check on? Um, I know the two main things is seeing the port of Casablanca, and I would like to have a meeting at our hotel at the conference room with advocates and lawyers. So anybody who would be interested in registering their business in Morocco or creating a business in Morocco, you have your business lawyers, or we have advisors that can advise us the best way to proceed in the country of Morocco. Because when we do business, international business, as bosses on our international glow up, we want to do things the right way. We want to have all our paperwork in order. We don't want to have anything that's going to set us back from being successful or being progressive. So those are my two main focuses. But then we got 7 days of fun-filled activities to do. So I would like to get recommendations from the community. So feel free to talk to me, chat. Let me know what you would like to see, what activities we should do, what sites we should see. Um, and I want to let y'all know the confidentiality, because I am a content creator. So your privacy and will be one of my main focuses. I will let you guys know before I go live, just for the people that do not want to be on camera. I will let you guys know anytime I'm recording or making videos. But your confidentiality will be very important to me. So for the people that don't mind being on video, you're more than welcome. But the people that do not want to be on video, totally respectable, because me as your host with the most, you will be my top priority. Your comfort, your enjoyment, and your satisfaction on this tour will be my main focus. So I just wanted to put that out there and let people know I will not be reckless with my content creation on filming people. And the tour is open for everybody. Ladies, couples, business owners, other content creators. So the tour will be open for everybody. So God willing, we all can make this tour a success. So I just want to make this video to give y'all a heads up. Because I know y'all like, dang, what Cuddy been at? He ain't been around in a while, just planning, working, I figure if I don't have anything productive or progressive to share with y'all, I might as well not even show up. So today I just want to give y'all an update that the Morocco tour is in planning. And while we're on tour in Morocco, I will be planning the next tour to Cape Town, South Africa. And then along with that, I will be planning a tour to Burkina Faso. So let's prepare for the journey. Prepare for our mission. Let's prepare to glow. Yeah, let's prepare to let our lights shine, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So get your affairs in order. Talk to me, chat. Let me know any recommendations you may have. Leave me some comments. Leave me some suggestions. Leave me your demands. Well, I can't say demands. I'm just gonna say suggestions. What do you suggest? What would you like to see? What price range should we keep it? Because the treatment that we will be receiving, I requested 5-star treatment. So 5-star hotels, 5-star massages, 5-star eating, 5-star activities, 5-star everything. So because I want people to have an experience of a lifetime. So that's my update. So y'all talk to me, chat. Y'all know I talk back. I did want to, see, do a little, show y'all a little bit of Casablanca real quick. As you can see on the screen, in a historic city. They say Morocco has some of the best food in the world. It's an ancient city. Seafood, some of the best seafood, So let's see what Casablanca got to offer, y'all. So y'all let me know what y'all think. What's y'all thoughts? What's y'all concerns? What didn't I cover that I should cover? So talk to me, chat. Y'all know I talk back. So salute to everybody that tunes in, taps in, and interested in going on a glow up business getaway retreat. And yes, the massages will be a part of the tour. Yes, massages, spa treatment, wellness. So we can make decisions and we can relax. yeah, we can relax. We can make plans with free minds, relaxed minds. So with that being said, I love y'all, chat. And y'all tap in with me, chat. Leave me your comments, leave me your concerns. Like, share, subscribe. tourhero.com, tourhero.com, tourhero.com. Salute, chat.